Welcome to our room tour. Okay, so we got hairdryer, 2 desks, bin, desk chair. Obviously we've got a safe as well, and we've got a kettle. This is the first time in a long time we've had a kettle in a hotel stay. And our wardrobe. They even give us beach mats. That's crazy. And the light comes on, and we've got umbrellas. So excited. Obviously we've got a fridge and a TV, our double bed, a couple of seating areas just there, and then we've got our balcony, our sea view balcony. There's the pool, and there's the beach just there. As we go back in, we've got lots of light switches. I haven't found the plug sockets yet because we literally have just come in, so they'll be here somewhere. And the bathroom, obviously bathroom, shower, but it's got jets. How cool! How cool is that? I'm actually really excited. We're staying on the island of Koh Chang, so stick around and see what new videos we come up with. Thanks for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we'll see you in the next one.